Welcome to the Rose and Alfred Miniaci Performing Arts Center at Nova Southeastern University Lifelong Learning Institute ticket offer. Select the Lifelong Learning ticket voucher link to claim 20 vouchers, good for 2 tickets per selected event. The link opens directly to Account Manager shopping cart with 20 vouchers. Select Checkout. You will now be prompted to sign in or sign up for an account. Please use the same login and password as your Ticketmaster.com account. Enter username and password, then select Sign In. Select I accept the terms and conditions, then place order. The vouchers are now accessible to redeem. Select Go Back to My Events to exchange vouchers into desired events. Select View Event Details on the Lifelong Learning Ticket Voucher event. Select Exchange. Select 2 ticket vouchers, then continue. Select desired event from list of available events. Events are subject to change. Once the map appears, scroll in until the gray dots appear. Available seats will load as blue dots. Select desired seats. Select Continue. Review details of your exchange will appear. Select Submit. Select I accept the terms and conditions, then place order. Select Go Back to My Events. Select Manage Tickets. Tickets are digital and can be saved to Digital Wallet only if signed into account via mobile device. Accessing digital tickets on mobile device and saving to Digital Wallet. Open mobile browser to www.miniacipac.com. Select My Account. Select Sign In. Select Manage Tickets. Select View Event Details. Select arrow to the right of the ticket. Present for scanning or select Add to Wallet. Follow instructions for Google or Apple Wallet. To use event tickets from Digital Wallet, unlock phone and hold to the ticket reader. We look forward to seeing you at the Rose and Alfred Miniaci Performing Arts Center at Nova Southeastern University.